Hey there, is it possible to learn English just by listening to it? So the answer in simple words is yes, you can learn English just by listening to English. But here's the real kicker, it won't be that easy. Listening, listening, listening. You have been listening for months, for days, for years, but your English is not improving. What's the reason, bro? You are listening with full focus, but you are not doing it the right way. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it right. You just listen, you do not take any kind of action so that you can remember things, remember words, expressions, sentence structures, everything that you should take action. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and want to listen to this video like there. I don't think that you got to watch any other videos to just improve your listening skills. This is the perfect video for you to master listening skills. Hey there, Namaste. I am Vikram. I am from Assam, India, and I provide one-on-one session. So if you want to learn English with me, then hit me up at this number. The number is popping up here, right here. So you can just directly text me on WhatsApp, and you can learn English directly from me. First up, hey there, hear me out. First of all, you have to know that how many types of listenings are there. There are two types of listenings you can do. So first up, we're going to talk about active listening. Active listening is something like while listening, you are taking actions. Let's suppose you are listening to an audio podcast and suddenly you figure out an unknown word and you try to find its meaning on Google and you tried making some sentences, 5 to 10 sentences, or maybe 3 to 5 sentences with that particular word. So what does it mean? You are taking action. You are not only listening but also taking action while listening. So that's called active listening. Means you are listening as well as you are taking action. Means you are writing and you are also creating some sentences. You are making some sentences with that particular word, and which makes it more powerful. Like the active listening is more powerful. But here's the real kicker, and that's the reason we do need this passive listening, because it is not possible to do active listening all the time. Like we got our work, like you are going to your school, not your school, your job, your duty, maybe your office, then you can practice passive listening. Just put your earphone and start listening. But that time you cannot write, or yeah, you may write on your notepad. That's a great idea, but it's not always possible. Maybe you are in a place, maybe you are with your friends, and they are talking, they are gossiping, and you want to learn it. You want to improve your spoken English, so just put your earphone, your earbuds, and start listening to something. Keep listening. So you can do the both. When you are at home, try active listening, and when you are outdoor, so try passive listening. Both are powerful. They both are useful. They both are perfect, but this one is a bit perfect, a bit more powerful. You better understand why it is. Because you are taking action. You are making sentences, as I told you before. One thing I would like to say that try to do the both, because both are perfect at their own place. So you have to, or you not you have to, but you must try to do the both. When you are at home, try active listening, and when you are outdoor hanging with your friends and maybe going somewhere, so you can try passive listening. And one more thing I would like to say about passive listening, you can while listening, you have to shadow it. You can shadow it like. Got a line. Suppose you heard a line. Suppose you listened to a line and you loved it. So try repeating it, or you can take pauses. So that's that's going to be a little. So that's going to be a little more engaging. So you can try it. And at the very end, I want to say that if you want me to take your class, and if you want me to provide one-on-one session, then make sure you hit me up at this number. I'm eagerly waiting for you. Let's learn together. I want to let you know that I can speak Bengali, which is my mother tongue, and Hindi, which is my second language, and English is my third language. But still, I can teach you English with the help of those language, those two languages, Hindi and Bengali, if you want. And I can also teach you English to English. So make sure you hit me up on WhatsApp. I'm eagerly waiting for you. And ta take care.